Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 1.4 chapter 1 integers. Hope you all have gone through the introductory lecture of exercise 1.4. If not, please go through it once so that you can understand here properly. So without wasting time, let us start. Question number 1 says evaluate each of the following. That means solve each of the following. It is given minus 30 divided by 10. Here one is negative, one is positive. So answer will be in negative only. Why? Because if you have not gone through, again I am telling, if you have not gone through, please go through the introductory part. Here we have minus 30 divided by 10, which can be written as minus 30 divided by 10. 0 0 will be cancelled out, so it will become minus 3 by 1, which means it is only minus 3. If we write minus 1 or not in denominator, it is okay. Question number B part. Students, it is having 9 parts, if I am not wrong. We have 50 divided by minus 5, which can be written as 50 divided by minus 5. This minus 5 will eventually become, it will go in the numerator only. 5 1s are and 5 10s are. So your answer will be minus 10. Now C part. C is having minus 36 divided by minus 9. Minus 36 divided by minus 9. Here both the integers are negative, so your answer will be in positive. Why? Because minus will be cancelled out. This we can write as minus 36 divided by minus 9. Minus will cancel out, which is equal to 9 1s are 9 and 9 4s are 36. So it will become 4. Your answer is 4. Part D, it is having minus 49 divided by 49, which can be, first we will write like this. We have minus 49 divided by 49, which is equal to minus 49 divided by 49. We can write like this. Both will be cancelled out, so we will remain with minus 1. Many students, they cancel numerator and denominator and write 0. Please be careful, because it is 49 1s are and 49 1s are will be minus 1. A, B, C, D, and now E part. 13 divided by, in the bracket, it is in the bracket minus 2 plus 1. So here we are having minus 2 plus 1, that is addition of two integer, which is equal to, first we will solve bracket. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1, it will become minus 1. You know how it will be. Minus, now 13 divided by minus 1 will give me eventually, minus will go up and it will become minus 13 only. F part question is 0 divided by minus 12. So we have 0 divided by minus 12, which is equal to, you know students, I have told you in introductory lecture, that is 0 divided by anything will become 0. So your answer is 0. Very easy exercise. This one is G part. Minus 31 divided by into bracket minus 30 plus minus 1. First we will solve the bracket. We have minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. We will solve bracket plus. First of all, bracket. So we will keep minus 31 as it is. Minus 30 plus minus 1, that is 2 integer. Adding of 2 integer with the same sign, we add the numerical value and the common sign. So it will become minus 31. Minus 31 divided by minus 31. Minus minus will cancel out. 31 ones are. So it will become 1. Sorry. The answer is 1. Now part H. Let me write down first. Minus 36 divided by 12, which is in bracket, and then again divide by 3. So we will solve first the bracket, and then we will divide 3 to the remaining answer. Minus 36 divided by 12 whole divided by 3. 12 ones are and 12 threes are. So our answer is minus 3 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to minus 1. This is your answer. So this will be the last part. Minus 6 divided by 5, this is in one bracket, divide by again the one bracket, minus 2 divided by 1, sorry, plus 1, minus 2 plus 1. Students, I have made one mistake. This is plus. So minus 6 plus 1. Here we are solving two integers with unlike sign. So we subtract the numerical value and put the higher value, that is minus 1, divide by minus 2 plus 1 will give me minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 will give me 1. Minus minus will cancel out. So your remaining answer will be 1. This was very easy exercise. Hope you have understood division. We will meet with new exercise. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. And yes, if you have not understood, please go through it once more. Thank you very much.